Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
This video explains how to write a strong email for CELPIP Writing Task 1. You can pause here if you need more time to read the full model answer on the screen. Notice how the email addresses all three parts of the prompt. It provides background information, mentioning the writer worked in an office for 5 years. It explains their interests by saying they would enjoy assisting with community events. Lastly, it asks 2 clear questions, including, what is the expected time commitment? The email is also well organized. It starts with a polite greeting and a clear opening sentence stating its purpose. The body paragraphs are logical and easy to follow. And it ends with a professional closing. The tone is semi-formal, which is perfect for writing to a coordinator at a community center. To connect ideas, the writer uses simple linking words like, firstly, and secondly, to introduce their questions. This makes the email very clear. 2 good vocabulary words to learn here are administrative and commitment. These words are very useful for formal and semi-formal writing and can help improve your score. Here is a simple tip for your test. Try to put your questions in their own short paragraph. This structure makes your email easy to understand and helps the reader reply to you completely. Planning your email before writing is always a great strategy. Let's look at why this is a strong response for the CELPIP survey question. If you need more time to review the text, you can pause the video at any point. First, the writer clearly states their choice in the opening sentence, supporting option A. The response then provides two distinct reasons. The first reason focuses on health, explaining that a free gym helps people stay active. The second reason is about social benefits, suggesting it would allow neighbors to meet and connect. This shows the ability to develop clear arguments. The organization is excellent. The response has a clear introduction, 2 body paragraphs for each reason, and a short conclusion. It uses a semi-formal tone that is appropriate for a city council survey. To make the writing smooth, simple linking words like furthermore and in conclusion are used to guide the reader. The vocabulary is effective for this level. 2 good examples of slightly more advanced are stretch words are promote and accessible. They fit naturally into the sentences and make the argument more precise. Here is a practical tip for your exam. Always try to give 2 separate reasons for your choice. For instance, this response discusses health first, then community life. This strategy helps you organize your ideas and shows the examiner that you can think about a topic from different perspectives. This audio will break down the key features of this high-scoring response. You can pause the video now if you would like to read the answer one more time. The response starts by making a clear choice, stating support for option B. It then gives 2 well-explained reasons. The first reason covers the educational benefits, like learning to live a more sustainable lifestyle. The second focuses on mental health, noting that gardening is a therapeutic activity that helps build community. Giving 2 strong reasons is essential for a good score. The structure is very effective. It has an introduction, 2 body paragraphs that each explore a different idea, and a concluding sentence. The semi-formal tone is perfect for this task. The paragraphs are easy to follow because they are connected with simple transition words like firstly and secondly. The vocabulary is appropriate and clear. The writer also includes 2 excellent stretch words, sustainable and therapeutic. These words show a good vocabulary range without making the text too complex.